Hi there! Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn to make a simple open glass terrarium. It is a good project with satisfying quality time for hobbyists, school children, with your office mates, friends, and ultimately your family. You can make it as a gift too. Terrarium is great for indoors and known for many benefits such as reduction of anxiety and stress. It can also purify air and ultimately achieve higher levels of quality in your life. Now, without further ado, let's get right to it. For this project, you need a glass container of your own preference and easy to work with. There are many designs and sizes that you can buy in your local store for a very cheap one. The second thing you need is activated charcoal. You can simply get from any shop. Charcoal acts as a filter, purifier, and deodorizes the terrarium. Next, get some pebbles or gravels of your own preference. I suggest you look for two types, the one for bottom part of the terrarium and the other for decorative purposes. You can also add in twigs or miniatures to create diorama. Well, it's up to you to be creative. Now for the next part. This is optional, but it will help to separate the bottom gravels from the soil and keeping your terrarium neat. For this, you can use a cut-out mesh to the size of your inner container. Make sure it is made from plastic or fiberglass. You also will be needing soil or compost that is appropriate for your plant. And finally, plants such as cacti, succulents, ferns, air plants, and many other with various of choices. Once you get everything ready, let's build your own open glass terrarium. First of all, go ahead and add a sufficient amount of pebbles or gravels as the base. This serves as water drainage if ever the soil gets too wet. We wouldn't want that to happen because it might rot the root of our plants. Then, add the cut-out mesh to the inner container and make sure that it's set firmly. You must avoid metal to avoid corrosion. You can simply find this in the local hardware store. Add a very thin layer of activated charcoal over the cut-out mesh. As mentioned, this will help absorb chemicals from the soil, water, and air that build up over time while purifies the terrarium's atmosphere. After all being set, add a substantive amount of soil. Do not fill it all the way because we need space for planting. Now, for the fun part, let's do some planting. You can now remove the plants from their original pots and loosen the roots to accommodate growth. Place them with your own creativity. It is best to imagine first and plan where you wanted to place them. You can create perspectives by planting them according to size. For this project, I'm thinking of planting the tallest one at the back and the shorter one at the front. Actually, it hurts a little bit because of the thorns, so be very careful. Go ahead and add more soil to secure the plants in place from time to time and level everything out before adding the decorative gravels. Now the project is almost complete. Clean up the terrarium and mist the soils to let it set firmly. Do not overwater the terrarium. Be reminded that there is no opening at the bottom of the terrarium, so once again, never overwater it. A simple mist once in a while should be fine. Go ahead and place it on your favorite spot. Just a quick tip, you can place your terrarium in a well-lit area or near a window from time to time to allow indirect sunlight. They do need it. Hey, that's it. Just be creative. Otherwise, enjoy and let me know if you have successfully built yours. Your sharing can inspire us all. I would very much appreciate if you can answer some questionnaires for study purposes. Link is provided in the description. Thanks for watching.